Hi, welcome to my channel or welcome back. So today I have an unboxing of a new Moterm. So if you have been watching my videos, you know how I have been well in love with my Moterms and as well as my personal wide setup. So this is a personal wide. Um, they did restock in Veg 10, and recently I tried to go back on to see if they had this available, and it doesn't look like it is. But I would probably not sign up, but if you are on social media and on Instagram, sign up or follow Moterm's website page and on Instagram, and they will let you know when they're restocking, and that way you can stock it and then purchase it right away because I was kind of, a day or two, but I was like, you know what? Just, hit add to cart and press checkout because I knew I was going to kick myself if I missed it. And I didn't want another, pebbled leather necessarily. I'm sure I will buy it eventually, but I do have, my Versa, which is in pebbled leather. So I know what that looks like and I can use it for my personal wide. And then I have I have my Vanderspec in like a velvet kind of material, and I have a Crocs. So this is the only one that I thought I was missing, and it is in the veg tan, and I believe the color I picked was apricot. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so normally with Moterm, their packaging is great. So you do get, a box with it. They usually will send you a card that says thank you. And then it just tells you about I think leaving a response, and if you are not satisfied, how to contact them and stuff like that, right? So that is everything here with Moterm. And then this is what we're here for. So as I said, it is in Veg 10. I believe this is apricot or honey. I will leave the color that I chose down below. I think I went with the darker color because between honey and apricot, they were very similar, but one was definitely a lot lighter. And for sure, if you're doing veg tan, it would be good to go with the lighter color because it will patina, which it will get darker, sort of like the way Vachetta does on Vachetta leather does on like Louis Vuitton items. So here it is. Ooh, I am super excited. So here is the fly leaf. And from what I saw, the fly leaves tended to lean on more of the darker side, more warmer. But even when you look at this, the colors are like they do look different. So this, even from here, looks like two different colors, and the camera is picking that up. Here is probably what the true color looks like, but as you can see, it looks like they use sort of different textures and parts of the leather. Still gorgeous. And now let's actually see what it looks like. So just wanted to put that out the way. Let's see this gorgeousness in all its glory. Okay, so here it is. So this is what it looks like. So you get your two snap closures here, which Moterm always does, and the poppers are always in silver. So if you are not a silver fan, then you can order different change of rings. They're easy to change out, which I will probably do. And you get your fly leaf here, and they're nice to send you some lined paper. So if you want to just use this as a notebook, you could kind of go ahead and start. You have paper already. And then here on your left, you have a pocket here. So this is a perfect size for me. If you needed something as your everyday carry, as well as something that you could carry like on the go. So I love this size. So you do have a pocket here. You do have a larger pocket here. The only thing I don't like about their their agendas is this material they use. It is not very like appealing, like it doesn't look really nice. They should use maybe like a more like velvety or something, but I'm assuming that would probably drive up the cost of the agenda, so I won't complain. And then you have here, you have one pocket there, and you have another 4 card slots. Then you have one pocket here along with 4 other card slots. You have another pocket here to carry more items. You have this with the same kind of material, along with your large pocket in the back with that same sort of material. It is beautiful. So the stitching is like a tan sort of, you know, brownie beige color. And as you can see, it almost looks like a pebble texture, but not as pebbled. So I don't want to touch it up too much because I do have on lotion. I tried not to put on like a whole bunch of lotion because I didn't want to, you know, get my prints on it at first. But definitely that is the whole point of buying a veg tan, is that it's going to get darker. It's going to patina. It's going to look so pretty. And, you know, that is the joy of, for me, you know, buying from Moterm, because Moterm gives you a price point that it's still, for me at least, affordable in comparison to ordering internationally for myself, a Gilio, or you know, a lot of the other, or a Vanderspect. The Vanderspect that I do have, I am absolutely in love with, but I did buy a pre-love from someone in Canada, so it was much cheaper. So that is it. Your flyleaf doesn't have any card slots, but I would say, you know, having 8, 9 card slots should be, you know, good. Or you can put in, you know, a card holder in here if you still need more room, if you were going to carry this like as a wallet. But that is just my unboxing of it. I wanted to show it to you. You know, I will set it up in the next little bit, but just to give you an idea of what it looks like, and the nice thick strap here, and your pen loop along with one on here. So you can, that's what I like about Moterm too. They give you the fly leaf with the pen loop and the one here, and they space it out so you could carry 2. And that's it. So if you have any questions, I will link down below the specific color, and hopefully remember when I'm editing to put it in here as well so you guys can see like what the color is. So that's it. So as I said, leave down below if you have any questions, comments, and I will leave everything in the description, and see you guys on another video. Bye.